We do not just create bubbles. With the hyperclassic mixing and aeration system, the oxygen is efficiently mixed with the activated sludge.
The hyperclassic mixing and aeration system is actually one of our most successful products, because it is used in both municipal and industrial plants, in which it has made us the market leader. And because it's versatile. With the development of our hyperbolic mixers, we are able to mix activated sludge tanks completely and efficiently for the first time. Therefore, it was obvious to combine this technology with an aeration system.
This has resulted in a real benchmark solution that can be tailored exactly to our customers' needs. A homogeneous distribution of oxygen and activated sludge. Sedimentation is reliably avoided. The operating point can be adjusted optimally to ideally support the treatment process. And all of this at minimal energy demands, because, for example, no minimum airflow is needed for mixing.
We can easily switch between the mixing and aeration mode and back to mixing. Even after months of mixing, we can easily switch back to aeration mode without clogging. This makes the system ideal for intermittent processes, such as the Invent SBR process.
The system is quick and easy to install, even in a filled basin. Depending on the system and requirements, it can be mounted on a bridge with a cage structure like this, or with a submersible drive. For the use in aerated lagoons, we have also developed a floating platform version.
The system is very robust and it can be used even under the toughest conditions and in very aggressive wastewater. In contrast to membrane aerators, it also does not age and does not lose performance over time. Through optimal mixing, we achieve an excellent activated sludge quality with very good settling characteristics. We have been manufacturing this system for more than 30 years and have made continuous improvements along the way. The hyperclassic mixing and aeration system is a typical Invent product. It is fluid dynamically optimized, operates with low energy consumption, it is robust, effective, reliable and low in maintenance. It is simply unique.